Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Paddle dashboard. Paddle is a powerful platform that helps you manage and grow your online business. In this guide, we will walk you through the key features and functionalities of the Paddle dashboard. First step is to log into your Paddle account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard homepage. The dashboard is divided into several sections including Overview, Analytics, and Products. The Overview section provides a snapshot of your business performance including revenue and customer growth. Next, navigate to the Products section where you can manage your products and plans. Here you can add new products, edit existing ones, and configure pricing and billing settings. You can also set up trials and discounts to incentivize customers to try your products. Now let us move to the Analytics section. This is where you can track key metrics such as sales, revenue, and customer acquisition. You can also view detailed reports on customer behavior and product performance. Use this data to identify trends and areas for improvement in your business. Another important feature of the Paddle dashboard is the Customers section. Here you can view and manage customer information including subscription status and payment history. You can also use this section to handle customer support requests and issues. In addition to these features, the Paddle dashboard also provides a range of integrations with third-party tools and services. This includes payment gateways, email marketing platforms, and accounting software. Use these integrations to streamline your workflow and automate tasks. Best practice is to regularly review and update your dashboard settings to ensure you are getting the most out of the platform. This includes monitoring analytics, tracking customer behavior, and optimizing product pricing and plans. By following these steps and using the Paddle dashboard effectively, you can gain valuable insights into your business and make data-driven decisions to drive growth and revenue. Remember to explore all the features and functionalities of the dashboard and take advantage of the resources and support available to help you succeed.